Youth on a Mission Project 2062. That was the theme for the 15th staging of the Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence.
We are on a mission to celebrate the achievements of our nation's young people.
Those between ages 15 and 24 who have made an outstanding contribution to any of a number of areas, including sports, agriculture, academics, and arts and culture. In 2013, there was a double celebration. Awards were given to persons nominated for both 2011 and 2012. 25 persons received awards for 2011, while 20 individuals got for 2012. For the 2012 nominations, over 70 applications were received and sorted by the Prime Minister's Youth Awards Selection Committee.
We have what I call a very rigorous evaluation process. We look at the quality of your achievement, we look at the impact that you have, we look at your community and voluntary service, we look at your current program and your academic record, we look at your demeanor, we look at how you set yourself as a role model, and importantly, we look at how unique this award is and how it will help to mold other young persons.
You make me stronger. Oh, my God, been through much. You make me stronger. For coming out better, not bitter. Yeah, sing it again.
You are among the significant number of Jamaicans who have been making a valuable contribution at home and abroad. You have imagined a life of achievement, a life of excellence, and have refused to accept mediocrity. You have used your imagination to forge a life of accomplishment and to provide inspiration to other young people and indeed to our nation.
Stay strong, young revolutionaries. Don't you fret. No, no, no.
What you're witnessing here today is the excellence of the next generation that will herald a new time of courage, passion, resilience, and fortitude for Jamaica to remain the best cultural capital and country in the world.
And now for the 2012 recipients of the Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence. For entrepreneurship, Andrew Khan.
Naturally, I'm a self-motivated person, but this will push me because now, not only the Prime Minister, but the country itself has seen where I can be a successful person.
For journalism, Basilia Barnaby.
I have been working at journalism for a long time, and I have been working every day to perfect my craft. So it's a wonderful feeling to be awarded this evening.
Also getting an award in the category of journalism, Simon Preston.
I always had a drive and desire, and that really made me push forward, and I'm happy the rewards are paying off.
Recipients in the category of leadership included Kenneth Gordon.
This award will definitely motivate me to continue in leadership. I will use this as encouragement to continue and use it to encourage other young people to do what they are doing.
Randy Goldson.
Continue doing what you're doing. It is not about the award, it is for the people who you are touching. And you see, when you work hard, then the award will come easily.
And Rashid Hall. Chantel Bierce and Romain Virgo were recognized for excellence in arts and culture. Jordan Bennett, O'Neill Clark, and Caldon Shirley are shining examples of what it means to be a youth in service.
Just press forward and always pray. It's always good to pray, and just, if you believe in yourself, there's nothing that can stop you.
This will be like a push, a greater push then to further continue all my doings in my community, in the parish.
Definitely it will push me more to continue doing the work I have been doing in my parish and across Jamaica.
Kimani Kitson-Walters epitomizes academic excellence.
Because science is such a technical subject, you have to love it. If you don't have the passion for it, it's not going to be as easy coming to for most of the scientists out in the world.
Timar Jackson is another academic inspiration.
Once you have your mind set on understanding it, then that is the first step towards success in mathematics. You have to try and get rid of that phobia.
Big up the corner shop, big up my lane, big up my block, and then my big up anywhere you can, and all a vibe and release your stress and relax.
The Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence also recognizes international achievement. Devon Raymond, Kimroy Bailey, and Siobhan White led the charge.
Regardless of where you are coming from, once you have persistence, perseverance, and a goal, you can achieve.
In the category of sports, Aaliyah Atkinson, Alvis Powell, and Warren Ware were celebrated.
Just going into the World Champs with this award is just a lot of confidence going in and a bigger boost for me.
Jean-Pierre Campbell stood up for young people contributing to agriculture. The Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence, recognizing and celebrating the achievements of the nation's youth. Project 2062, Youth on a Mission to take over the reins of leadership and build a better Jamaica.